He's got the cooler tricks than I do. All I got is little pop-ups. See, I can't do that. This shit heavy. This shit heavy as fuck. And into the woods he goes. You want your bike? Yeah. This thing's fun as fuck. I'm about to say, you're missing the whole damn thing.
I missed like half of that, okay?
Her bike's a bit taller. Stopping.
I know, I'm having the best day ever just smelling the bike.
Just.
With no added, oh, go fast, trim, be good.
Yeah.
I like to just fuck around. Alright, man, show us the good stuff, man.
What good stuff? I ain't got much.
You got it?
I got little pop-ups. The first gear ones aren't it. It's not much, but hey, it works. Ah! I hate these damn trees. It ain't much, but it's on its work. Do what?
That's good.
Eh. I just started this shit, so. This motherfucker saw me eat it on that little fucking ledge right there.
That was an awesome night.
Yeah.
I forget what was no, cause down.
I whiskered all the fuck out of this. It was this bike. And I'm literally like, I'm on it, I pop up, and like I go too far, and I just whiskey throttle it. So I'm like, all, my legs are off, and.
That's
It was like the typical.
Wait, can you
Yeah.
really that now?
I don't know.
Try it.
Yeah, you
The chain is a little slack, so don't.
Yeah, I was about to say, don't drop it. Okay. Just give it a little.
Yeah, just try to actually help it get up. So you just keep dropping it. You're just gonna
Fall everywhere. That's fair. You want a rider?
ain't nothing to do over here.
That's facts.
I'm not a Willie guy.
Man, I haven't been on this bad boy for a minute. It's weird. I'm so used to like leaning in, but you literally, it's like you have to sit out.
You might be a new.
Yeah, I think I am. What's up? Having fun? That's so weird. That's so weird. This thing does not.
nervous.
I know, me too. It's my bike.
I know.
It's like $12,000 right there. I know he's good for it though, so I don't mind. Oh, Suzanne's fast. Suzanne goes like 170. It felt great?
Yeah, that's
Suzanne goes, bro.
it's a different feeling, dog. It's like a 450.
Man, I'm literally dropping the clutch and it's like nothing. Yeah, you went up, bro.
Oh yeah.
What's up? Not yet. I want to learn a little bit better. This is hard. I haven't done this in a minute. Especially on this one, it's hard because I have to like little bit of load.
Dude, all right. So, how comfortable are you with your back brakes?
A little bit. Like I'm good with it, yeah.
I can tell you a cheat code on how to get it up, but when it come up, you got to be ready for it. That's the thing.
Let me get used to the little pop-ups real quick so I get used to the feel for this because it's a little different than mine.
Yeah.
And that's the same with the clutch, like it's completely different. My clutch, bro, you can, it'll be alright. This one I can literally, like nothing. So,
Come on, give her a hell.
alright. Can't raise it. I can do that. But those are slow, so like it's hard to get. I don't know. It's like you have to stay slow for this thing to even go up.
Let me see. I can show you literally just no power, nothing. Then it'll come right up.
Let me see it.
Alright, so we're gonna go second gear. Barely nothing.
Yeah, I noticed. I literally have to push it down. Yeah. I don't even have to do that for my bike. It literally just comes up. Yeah. I would say I don't even have to do that for my bike. It just comes up. That's so crazy.
What can't you do?
A lot.
Nah, it is fucking weird. Like,
It's hard, dude. Especially going from that to this. Like, I'm so comfortable wheeling that thing. When I go into this, I'm like, damn, this thing don't even go up. And I'm not giving it throttle. Like, I'm literally.
Yeah, like I tried exactly like the same throttle range just there, and it did nothing. I was like, oh fuck, you gotta really.
Yeah, you gotta push it. I've been realizing that.
Gotta yoink.
God damn. You really got to give it some love. Okay, let me see. That was good. Dude, pushing that? Oh my god, I can actually... That's crazy. This shit is light. They look like they're gonna call it cops on me.
They put on the turn, do no turn. They're obviously...
Damn.
There are kids out here on a closed off road doing wheelies. I think they're on drugs.
God damn. Oh my god. The turn radius on this thing is weird, bro. You can turn far as fuck as long as you're leaning with it. That's so weird.
Oh, yeah.
Like that. What the fuck?
Am I missing?
What?
Am I missing? Not the bar, it's turning the button.
Oh,
You're good. I got the pull.
it's in neutral.
You're in neutral.
Fuck you. You literally have to fucking yank that bitch. That's crazy. That's so wild, bro. Alright. Hell yeah. I'm posting this shit on YouTube, so. Might as well. No, it don't. Sometimes it really doesn't. Oh shit! All right. That's the goal, right? God, no.
What did we learn?
What did we learn?
Yeah.
Push.
Okay. Yeah. You can do it on your.
I know. I bet I could. It has a good shocks for that.
Be
So.
ready for it. Cause
I know it's gonna come up.
Yeah, you emphasized it on that shit like I had to.
Dude, when you do it, it just comes up.
Dude, cause like when
It's
I was
crazy.
like, right there past the balance point, I was like, okay, like we gotta learn how this feels because that
Yep.
weight is different.
Oh yeah. No, it's all in the front too. So it's like, it's right there. It's all in your.
That
Right.
last one when it came up, like now we went back a little further past the balance point.
Yeah.
And the weight is weird. It was wanting to go side to side.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't like going too far on my bike.
Yeah. If you're not going fast now, they're just wanting to go side to side. You're like, okay.
That's why I do higher speed wheelies with that, because it's like not.
I'm not
Like with
ready
this
for
thing,
that.
you gotta go slow. With speed, like it barely goes up.
Fuck, now what?
Oh, one sec. Ooh. Take your glasses.
No, those are my military glasses.
Oh, is that right? Oh yeah, I'm posting this shit to YouTube, so why not?
Yeah?
Posting.
Oh, hey, so go subscribe to my channel, bro.
No. I'm just kidding. Ugh. Burn rubber, baby. Oh man. You heading back? All right, I'll see you there. We got him! Alright, and I'm back. Sorry, just had to grab something to eat. Make sure we're all good. And the fuel tank too, and yeah. But just practicing wheelies today, you know, the usual. Trying to learn a bit, especially on this bike, could be cool. I guess seeing it happen in front of my eyes would definitely helps me feel a bit more comfortable with what's going on, because yeah, ain't too bad though, ain't too bad. I'm not too bad at it, honestly. I thought I'd be a lot worse, but I'm not. All right, so we adding some music out of this. Yeah, because I don't have my cardio connected to my GoPro, so hello YouTube. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching if you watched it this far. Other than that, I mean, enjoy the video. Love doing stuff like this. I know I'm not consistent. I'm sorry about that, but if I ever become consistent, I promise to give you guys some really good content. So we'll get to that point though. All right. Peace out, y'all.